Your SSID is your Wi-Fi network's name. Changing it on your T-Mobile Gateway enhances security and organization. A custom SSID makes your network less predictable and helps you differentiate between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. It also allows you to set up a separate guest network for visitors. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range but slower speeds, while the 5 GHz band provides faster speeds over shorter distances. As of October 2025, the easiest way to change your SSID is via the T-Mobile Internet app. This app supports remote gateway control, so you don't need physical access. Log into the app, then navigate to Network and Wi-Fi settings. Rename each network 2.4 GHz and Guest. For older gateways, you can still use a web browser and go to 192.168.12.1. When renaming your SSID, use up to 32 characters and avoid special symbols for compatibility. Remember that after changing your SSID, devices will need to reconnect to the new network. T-Mobile is increasingly using AI-driven automation for Wi-Fi management. By 2025, many new installations use Wi-Fi 7 devices, which allow dynamic SSID adjustments. Guest networks are also gaining advanced features like time limits and parental controls. Experts recommend regularly changing your SSID and using strong passwords with WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. Future trends include AI-powered apps that suggest SSID names and integration with smart home ecosystems for voice-controlled SSID changes. Also keep in mind to reboot the gateway if you run into issues.